Palantir stock increased over 120% within 6 weeks. But first of all, let's intro. D&D Finance, helping you making better financial decisions. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. So Palantir stock is the software that provides big data analytics so that companies can make better decisions. So Palantir stock offers several solutions for many kinds of industries, for example AI, cyber security, financial compliance, insurance, manufacturing, pharma, etc. That's why they have many kind of clients, but I will talk about it later. So before buying any stock, let's have a quick look at this Palantir company itself. So Palantir Palantir company was founded on 2003, and it was founded by Peter Thiel, or Peter Thiel in German. And he was also co-founder of PayPal. Smash the like button. So he has a track record of being an entrepreneur, a successful entrepreneur. And the headquarters is in Denver, US. Right now, so in 2020, they have around over 2,000 employees. So they have many clients, as I've mentioned before, for example like Morgan Stanley, Merck, Airbus, so also for defense, also automobiles like Fiat Chrysler, but also like BP, like energy producer. So it is a company that is in high demand. So let's have a quick look at the earnings report real quick. So Palantir company revealed their earnings for the third quarter 2020, so which means for the 3 months of July, August and September. And they could increase their revenue compared to last year up to 52%. So even during this world crisis, they could increase their revenue, which is quite remarkable because this kind of service is always in demand, regardless what happens, almost regardless what happens in the world. Alright, any questions so far? Feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. So let's have a quick look at the Palantir stock real quick. So as of 13th November 2020, the Palantir stock is traded at around $16 US. The ticker symbol for Palantir stock is pltr stock. So the market cap of this Palantir stock is at around $26 billion US, so it is considered a large cap stock. And 1 month ago, the Palantir stock price was at around $10 US. So let's do the math here real quick. So 1580 divided by 9.71 it was. Wow. So for 1 month, the stock performance is at around 63%. So that's very impressive. I cannot do a price target for this stock because I don't have enough data to do this kind of price target. But it is an impressive stock performance. Palantir has a really impressive stock performance. The founder is also successful entrepreneur, and the company has many established clients. What kind of stocks do you own? Comment in the video description below. I might want to make a video about it. Subscribe and see you next time.